Sorry, that bird you can hear in the background is Peter, my rainbow lorikeet. He's just jealous that these guys are out. He'd like to be part of it, but unfortunately he can't. So, because of the fight. So we have to out of cage time by shifts.
Need some breaks for you out there? He does. This is way cheaper.
They're constantly looking for nooks and crannies and crevices which they can hide or go into. Levi's always done that as far back as I can remember.
Rocks. They've been around for billions of years, withstanding the test of time.
As you can see, Levi's trying to pull down the tea towel that's blocking an entrance to go in behind the stove where I found him yesterday. As you can see, she's a determined little monkey. She has every intention to try and get down the back of there. You can hear the little squeals of delight or intrigue as she's trying to find her method or find her way down behind the stove. As you can see, Levi's managed to pull down the pink cloth, which I just put back up again, but that won't last long, but we're going to have to come up with another method. You're determined, aren't you? Moving her or both of them to another part of the room doesn't work. They just fly back and resume or pick up from where they left off. They're really determined. What are you looking for, Levi? Levi? How about you, Titan? What are you doing? Hey? I don't think you can fit down the back of there. Well, I'm sure you're going to give it a go if you can find a way to get in there. Hey, Levi. And now Titan's thinking about going in through there, aren't you? Right, in order to try and stop Levi going down well, we'll give this blue cloth a go. I've stuck a plastic container in the holders of the tea towel. Let's just see what happens. Bet you'll find the way around it. But she used to go down in there until we stopped her. Now she can't get in there. It's like playing blockade. New play area. What are you doing in the bin there, Titan? Hey? Oh, you right. Come here. Come here. Come on. Wait. Step up. There was a time, not so long ago, I'm only talking about a few weeks ago, where Levi and Titan were quite happy to sit on my shoulder and play on my knee or play on the couch and play with toys and all that sort of stuff. That seems to have gone out the window now. You're little buggers, you are. Where are you going now, Levi?
confusion and sense of isolation that cancer brings. You can. Please call or go online to give $5 a month to Canteen. It'll help make sure these young Aussies get the right support to stand up to cancer. Please call 1-800-960-177 or go online and give $5.
There's a reason why it's there, Levi. It's to stop being disappearing inside there. What you doing, Titan? Well, folks, this is a daily occurrence, especially in the last 2 weeks. These two keep on doing all this. They're just going to go find something to get behind or get under or get into. And it's like Groundhog Day every day. Another week or two, they'll change their mind and do something completely different. But the last couple of weeks is just, let's find a hole to go and hide in. Let's annoy the boss, which they do. You got to watch them like a hawk. That said, thank you for watching this clip, and don't forget, press like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you wish, and I will reply and see you in the next clip. Bye.